Hey YouTube, Rhino24 Freight here. Got my back box of Sweet Spot from Atlanta Sports Cards. The link is down there. Here's their logo. Go check them out right there. Down there. Best prices. Very, very nice customer service. They are amazing. Rub this box on my dog for some extra moho. So, let's get to it. I'm gonna go on the back. Jesus. People weren't exaggerating when this plastic is impossible to get open. I'm like the Hulk. There we go. Okay, got it open. Jeez, this thing's a friggin' brick. Pack right here. Just get it open. Got it, congratulations. First card is a Cole Hamels base, numbered to 850. Pedro Martinez, numbered to 850. Oh, that's pretty cool. Mike Mussina, not numbered, but it's jersey with the pinstripe. There's got to be some people wanting that. And I don't want to see that card right here, so I'm going to go from the back. Miguel Tejada, I'll take that. That's nice. Jersey. Got a Twins, Alexi Casilla, helmet auto. And the auto, Connor Jackson, numbered 13 of 75. Leather glove auto. That's pretty cool. I'll take it. So, there's a Sweet Spot box. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Adios, YouTube.